Good morning, my name is Desi Minchillo, and today we're going to do portraits with cardboard paper. And so I'm going to show you how efficient this is going to actually be. What it did was I took an image. It's actually one of my images of my paintings, but you can take an image from any magazine or something you get on the internet. You can print it on the Xerox machine, and you have something in front of you. And then what I'm also using is I'm using transfer paper below, and they used to call it carbon paper. It's got graphite on it and cardboard. This is the thick sort of card. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. First, I'm going to impart that image onto the cardboard and through the transfer paper. So here is a skewer. You can use any, you can use a pencil, you can use a pen, any kind of thing, but the skewer is going to work out well for me on many levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the image, and I'm going to press onto it, and then once I'm done, I'll meet you back and I'll show you what to do next. So here we are back with done with the transfer paper, and you can actually see the imprint is shown onto the transfer paper, but the imprint of the image is actually showed on the cardboard. So then I'm going to take this skewer-like element, and of course you can use an old pen that's not working, but begin to press onto those elements and start to carve out some of the images. And there's a nuance to this, and I'll take you through it.